Dear students, welcome back for today class. Geography Unit 1 Asia and Europe. Political division of the continent of Asia and Europe. Physical features and drainage of these two continents. Now let's move on to the lesson. Geography Unit 1 Asia and Europe. This lesson discuss about the location, boundaries, physical and political division of Asia and Europe. The major river, climate and natural vegetation of highlight in this lesson. It's also explain about how economic activity are determined by the resources. Asia is the largest and the most population continent in the world. It covers about 30% of worldland area and about 60% of world's population. Most of the land of Asia lie in the northern hemisphere. It has different types of physical and cultural features. Lofty mountain, plateaus, plains, Iceland and peninsular river, the major physiographies features of Asia. Many perennial rivers flow through the different part of Asia. This river valley are the cradles of Asian civilization. Indus Valley, Mesopotamian and Chinese civilization. Let us know more about our home continent. Location and area. Asia extends from 10 degrees south to 81 degrees north latitudes and from 26 degrees east to 169 degree west longitude. It spread for an area of 44 million square kilometer. Boundaries. Asia is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, Pacific Ocean in the east, Indian Ocean in the south, and the Ural Mountain, Caucasus Mountain, Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Caspian Sea and Black Sea in the west. Political divisions. There are 48 countries in Asia. The countries are grouped into several realms based on landscape and political status such as East Asia, Southeast Asia, South Asia, Southwest and Central Asia. Physiography diversion. Asia is the land of long mountain range, snow capped high mountain, vast plateaus, extensive plains, river valley, and sea coast. These diverse physical features encourage the people of this continent to involve in diverse economic activities. The physiography of Asia can be divided into five major groups. They are the northern lowland, the central high mountains, the southern plateaus, the Great Plain, and the Iceland groups. The northern lowland. The most extended lowland in Asia is the Siberian Plains. It extends from the Urali mountain in the west to the Urals range in the east. The central highland. The central highland stretches the Turkey to the Bering Strait. There are two nodes found in Asia. They are the Pamir knot, the Armenian knot. The Hindus range. The Himalayan mountain range is the highest mountain range in the world. Mount Everest, 8,848, is the highest peak in the Asia as well as world. The lowest point in the world is located in Dead Sea in Asia. Intermountain plateaus are found in this mountain range. These important plateaus are the plateaus of Anatolia, the plateau of and the plateau of Tibet. The southern plateaus. The southern plateaus are relatively lower than the northern plateaus. The four important southern plateaus are then Arabian plateaus, South Arabia, Deccan plateaus, India, Shan plateaus, Myanmar, and the Yuan plateaus, China. Among these plateaus, the Arabian plateaus is the largest plateau. The Great Plains. The Great Plains are formed by the major river of Asia. They are West Siberian Plains. They are the Western Siberian Plains, Manchurian Plain, Great Plain of China, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Mesopotamian Plain, and the Irrawaddy Plain. The island groups. Numerous islands are found in the Pacific coast of Southeast Asia. Kuril, Taiwan, Singapore, and the Borneo are the important island groups. The Philippines, Japan Island, and Indonesia are the major archipelagos in Asia. Smaller archipelagos are also located in the Indian Ocean, such as the island of Maldives and Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. Sri Lanka is an island which is located in the Bay of Bengal. Drainage. The river of Asia originated mostly from the central highland. The Ob, Yans, and Lena are the major rivers that flow towards the north and drain into the Arctic Ocean. The rivers remain frozen during winter. On the other hand, South Asia has many peninsular rivers, for example, Brahmaputra, Indus, Ganga, and Irrawaddy, which originate from the snow-covered high mountain that do not freeze during winter. They the Euphrates and Tigris flow in West Asia. The Amur, Hanga, Yangtze, and Mekong River flow in the south and southeastern part of Asia. Yangtze is the longest river in Asia. Climate. Asia expert in variety of climates. The northern part of Asia experiences several long winter and cool summer. Precipitation is in the form of snow. The northern eastern part of Asia experiences cool winter and warm summer and a moderate rainfall of 50 millimeter to 250 millimeter. The southeast and eastern part of Asia are strongly influenced the monsoon winds. Summer is hot and humid while winter is cold and dry. The summer monsoon wind bring heavy rainfall to India, Bangladesh, Indochina, Philippines, and southern China. The areas found in and around the equator have influent climate throughout the year. There is no winter. The west and central part of Asia have hot, dry climate. The temperature is very high during the day and very low during the night. Rainfall varies from the western coastal fringe of Asia. Rivers rainfall in winter and is warm in summer. Duster are found along the western part of Asia. The major hot duster are the Arabian and Thar duster is the cold duster of Asia or Gobi, and the largest desert in Asia is the Arabian duster. Natural vegetation. Natural vegetation depend upon rainfall, temperature, and soil. And Asia stretch us from the equator of polo. All types of vegetation are found here. Summer spices are found in Asia. The Asia flora and fauna are listed below. Resources based on economic activities of Asia. Mineral resources. Asia have variety of mineral deposits. It hold an important place in the production of iron, coal, manganese, bauxite, zinc, petroleum, tin, etc. Oil and natural gas is found in the West Asia countries. One third of the world oil is produced in Asia. Among the West Asia countries, iron has the considerable wealth of mineral resources. The important minerals found in Asia. Iron ore. Asia has the largest deposit of iron ore in the world. China and India are the important iron ore deposited countries of Asia. Turkey, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, etc. are the few other countries that have iron ore deposit. Coal. Coal is the fossil fuel. Asia has the largest deposit of coal in the world. China and India are the largest producer of coal of Asia. Petroleum. Petroleum is a mineral oil. The largest petroleum reserves are found in Southwest Asia. The important petroleum producing countries are Saudi Arabia, Iran, USA, South China, Malaysia, India, Russia, etc. are the other important petroleum producing countries in Asia. Bauxite is found in India and Indonesia. India is the largest producer of mica in the world. Tin is found in Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Agriculture. Only about 18% of the total area is cultivable in Asia. Agriculture is the chief occupation of the people here. The river valley in the south, southeast, and East Asia have rich olive soil. Agriculture in intensively practiced in the riverine plain of Asia. However, some areas are not suitable for agriculture practice. India has the largest area of arable land in Asia. Most of the West Asia countries cultivable their crop there the group water level is near the South Africa. Rice and wheat are the staple food crop in Asia. China and India are the leading producer of rice in the world. Other important rice producing countries are Myanmar, Japan, Bangladesh and Thailand. Monsoon Asia is suitable for rice cultivation based off the abundant rainfall, fertile plains and availability of labor. Thailand is called the rice bowl of Southeast Asia. Wheat is grown in the temperature region of Asia. Russia, India, China and Pakistan are the leading producer of wheat in Asia. Jute and cotton are the important natural fiber cultivation in Asia. One third of the world cotton is producing by Asia. The major cotton producing countries are India, China, Russia, and India, Pakistan, China, and Bangladesh are the leading producer of jute. The tropical wheat and dry climate is suitable for sugarcane cultivation in Asia. In India, Indonesia, and Philippines are the major producer of sugarcane. Coffee, tea, rubber, plum tree, and cocoa are the important plantation crop. India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia and Indonesia are important producer of plantation crop. Malaysia and Thailand are the leading producer of the natural rubber. Dates. Dates are produced in West Asia. Among the countries, Iran is the largest producer of dates in the world. Fishing. Fishing is an important economic activity in Asia. China and Japan are the leading fishing nation. Bay of Bengal is the major fishing group for India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Fishing is the mainstay of national economy in Maldives. Pearl fishing is popular in the eastern coast of Asia. Transport. Transport is the backbone of the economic development of the region. Many Asian countries are developing their transport network for the economic progress. Roadway. Roadway is the most common mode of transport in Asia. The Asia Highway connects Tokyo in the east to Turkey in the east, Russia in the north, and Indonesia in the south, and the total length of roadway. Railway. The Trans-Siberian Railway is the longest railroad in the world. Waterway. The Caps of Good Hope route connected Europe to South Asia. The Trans-Pacific route connects the port of Eastern Asia to the port of Western American countries. Tokyo, Singapore, Hong Kong, Chennai, Mumbai, Karachi and Dubai are the important seaport in Asia. Population. Asia is the most population country in the world. Approximately 16th of the world population live in Asia. The population is universally distributed because of the various physical feature. China and India along they cover three-fifths of Asia population. Apart from these two countries, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Japan, Pakistan, and Philippines have more than 100 million population. The population the population density in Asia in 143% per kilometer. India, Japan, Bangladesh, and Singapore have high population density. Religion and language: Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Christianity, and Sikkim are the major creed in Asia. Art and architecture. Asia is the homeland of three civilizations: Mesopotamia, Indus Valley, and China civilization. These are three contribute to the architecture work at an early stage. Among the seven wonders of the world, two are located in Asia: the Taj Mahal in India, the Great Wall of China. Food: rice, wheat, maize, and barley are the staple food in Asia. Dry produce, fruit, and nut are also consumed. In East Asia, bread and noodles are the staple food where rice is not available. Tea, coffee, and green tea are the chief beverage. Land of contrast. Asia is the biggest continent. It has different types of land features such as mountain, plateaus, plain, valley, bay, island, etc. It also has different climate condition for the equator of polar regions. Apart from this, many race, languages, religious, and cultural are followed by peoples who live in Asia. So, Asia is called the land of contrast. Listen, children, completed in Asia. We will discuss about next week in Europe. Thank you, children.